So in this video, I will show you how to export WhatsApp chat to another phone. Make sure to watch the video to the end. Do not make any mistake. First of all, go to your WhatsApp. After you open up your WhatsApp, tap on these three dots. Go to settings. Scroll all the way to down and tap on this chats. Under this chat, tap on this chat history. All you have to do, tap on this export chat. So under this export chat, as you can see here, it says choose chat. So now here all are your chat that you made. So all you have to do, just go and select the person that you want to export his chat. So let's say I want to export this chat of this person. After selecting the person, now it will give you an option. As you can see here, it says Bluetooth. No, so now you can share the chat through different medias. For example, you can share the chat on your WhatsApp again, or you can share the chat on your like email or Google Drive or whatever you want. So for me, let's say I want to export the chat to someone, to another person on WhatsApp. So I'll just tap on this WhatsApp. So after you tap on the WhatsApp, so it will take you to your phone. Now choose the person that you want to send him the chat history of the account. So tap on this send again. So tap on this send again. So as you can see here is the chat that I just exported now. So now I can be able now to open the chat in another phone and see the chat of this conversation. That's it guys. If this video helps you out, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.